Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're comparing two top-tier robot vacuums, the Roborock Qrevo S and the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S. Both come with impressive features and price tags to match. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. First up, let's talk about suction power. The Roborock Qrevo S boasts a respectable 7,000 pascals, which is powerful enough for most household debris. However, the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S takes it up a notch with a whopping 11,000 pascals of suction power. Reviewers say the Roborock is great for everyday cleaning, but the DEEBOT excels in picking up even the tiniest particles. Next, we have anti-tangle technology. The Roborock Qrevo S features a multi-directional floating brush to minimize tangles, making it quite effective against pet hair. On the other hand, the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S employs zero-tangle technology, which reviewers rave about for its effectiveness. It's almost maintenance-free in this regard. Let's move on to docking station features. The Roborock Qrevo S has a multifunctional dock that includes auto mop washing, hot air drying, and a 5L water tank. Reviewers appreciate these features for their convenience. Meanwhile, the DEEBOT T30's OMNI station offers all that plus hot water mop washing. Users love the added premium feel, but note the larger base size. Now, let's look at navigation and obstacle avoidance. The Roborock Qrevo S uses PreciSense LiDAR and 3D mapping technology, which reviewers find highly accurate and reliable. The DEEBOT T30s goes a step further with True Detect 3D 3.0 and True Mapping 2.0, making it exceptionally good at avoiding obstacles. However, some users mention it occasionally struggles with smaller items. Lastly, let's talk about app control and smart features. The Roborock app offers tailored cleaning strategies and multi-level mapping, which users find extremely useful. However, some have reported connectivity issues. The DEEBOT T30s offers voice commands, Apple Watch compatibility, and Alexa support, making it a favorite for those who love smart home integration. Reviewers generally find the app more stable and feature-rich. Overall, reviewers are impressed with both the Roborock Qrevo S and the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30s. The Roborock is praised for its effective cleaning and ease of use, while the DEEBOT receives high marks for its superior suction power and advanced features. However, some users have noted issues with the Roborock app, whereas the DEEBOT's larger base size is a minor inconvenience. So, there you have it. The Roborock Qrevo S and the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30s both bring unique strengths to the table. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart buying tips. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep shopping smart.